Welcome to Joy Jungle Junior. Today, we're going to explore farm, wild, and domestic animals and birds. I'm so excited to begin this adventure. Are you ready? But wait, did you know? 90% of you haven't subscribed yet. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the fun. Let's go. Farm animals, raised for food, work, or other agricultural purposes. Cow. Buffalo. Goat. Sheep. Pig. Chicken. Duck. Horse. Donkey. Turkey. Rabbit. Goose. Yuck. Domestic animals are animals that live with humans for companionship, work, or help. Dog. Cat. Parrot. Pigeon. Hamster. Guinea pig. Goldfish. Lovebird. Turtle. Wild animals live in nature without human care. Lion. Tiger. Elephant. Giraffe. Zebra. Deer. Fox. Bear. Wolf. Kangaroo. Cheetah. Hippopotamus. Rhinoceros. Monkey. Crocodile. Snake. Eagle.